Hey guys, BrickQueen here, and today I wanted to show you how to make a custom version of a Lego Grinch. That's something that Lego hasn't made so far. I wouldn't be surprised if it happens eventually, but so far we don't have a Lego Grinch, so I'm going to show you how to take a regular Santa and turn this Santa into the Grinch. So obviously the first thing that we need to do is find some green skin color because, well, the Grinch is covered in green fur, of course. So there are a few options, not a lot. The Hulk is green. We have like Green Goblin. Martian Manhunter is green, but he won't work for this. So I looked through all the different options, and the one that I decided on, you may disagree with me, but this is the one I decided on to go with because the face, I think, works the best for the Grinch. I know it is a woman, but once you put it all together, you'll see it actually looks pretty good. So let's start by taking this head and beard off, and also we're going to take the white hands out here. And then we're just going to borrow some parts from the Wicked Witch. I'm going to take her face and her hands, and that is going to be step one of this. And really, this is not super complicated. That's another reason why I like doing this, because it's really not hard to create the Grinch. And really, we kind of, it's kind of already there, like that. You already kind of have the Grinch. Slightly feminine face, but I think it still works. Now, there's one thing that I feel like is missing a little bit from this, and that is, well, the legs, because the Grinch hardly ever wears pants. Now, technically, this coat should be a little bit longer to cover some stuff up, but I guess instead we're just going to have to rely on the Grinch's fur to cover it up. So my next thing was looking for someone with legs or pants that match that green skin color. And it's almost like a lime green. It's a kind of a lighter color green. So it took me a minute to find that color green pants, but I finally found them on Krusty the Clown from The Simpsons. So if we then take his pants off and put them on there, then we have what I think is a really great version of the Grinch. And feel free to disagree. If there's other parts that you would use that you think are better, tell me in the comments. This is just kind of how I make my version of the Lego Grinch because I think it's kind of fun. And it only takes 3 minifigures. Really, you could do it with 2 if you really wanted to, but I like having the pantsless version because that just makes me think more of the Grinch. So, anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hope you really enjoy this video, and if you want to see more stuff like this, more of me showing you how to make cool new figures like this, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys next time.
Before you go, don't forget to click my picture to subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, you can click the thumbnail to check out more of my videos.